everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix speaker not working problem in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, turn off do not disturb. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on sounds and vibration. Scroll down, click on do not disturb and click on turn off now. After click on turn off now, do not disturb will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, scroll down, click on reset device setting. Again click on reset device setting. After click on reset device setting, all setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart phone. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your phone. This is how you can fix speaker not working problem in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.